Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. This is Shahjadi Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 7 students. My dear students, our today's topic Assignment 5 discussion. Today's lecture number 13. My dear students, let's start our class. First of all, we will see the questions. Your assignment. This assignment belongs to chapter 7. The chapter name is the use of energy. The use of energy, and your assigned task is number 1. Here given 4 questions. Okay, number 1, create your own project for alternative energy to deal with energy crisis that will play a role in tackling energy crisis as well as preventing energy wastage and protecting the environment. Second question, select the project name and describe the steps of the project you have created sequentially. Question number 3, describe what kind of role the project can play in your area in a social context. And question number 4, what role do you think you can play in preventing energy wastage in your own life? So my dear students, here are given also instructions. Number 1, you write down the steps knowing what materials are needed to create the project. Number 2, you need to think about what kind of project is suitable for your area. And number 3, we'll take a look at how different types of energy wastage can be prevented and how this waste will play a role in the environment. So my dear students, according to these questions, I have made this assignment topic, and your assignment topic is the chapter 7, the use of energy. Topic is chapter 7, the use of energy. So my dear students, according to question number 1, answer will be like this. People need energy in everything they do to sustain life and for developmental activities. The use of energy is increasing day by day, resulting is an energy crisis. So my project will play a good role in making gas. It is possible to produce the required gas in a family from this gas plant using the cow dung and household waste, and it will play a role in increasing production and create environmental balance by disposing of waste in suitable places. So my dear students, this project name is biogas plant. The project name is biogas plant, and this is the figure that this project, this one is mixing tank, this one is gas holder tank and the digester tank, and this one is outlet tank, and this is the biogas outlet, and from here we can get the biogas outlet, and you can draw this figure like this plant, biogas plant. And question number 2, select the project name and describe the steps of the project that you have created sequentially. So my dear students, for question number 2, you have to select project name. So here the given project is biogas plant, so the name of the project will be biogas plant, and then you have to describe the steps of this project you have created sequentially. You have to describe that your project sequentially, that means step by step. Okay, so the process is quite simple in the way I produced biogas. I usually completed the process of making biogas in 3 steps. So step 1, household waste is broken down into various components such as proteins, sugar, etc. Step 2, in the presence of bacteria, these sugars form organic acids. And step 3, methane carbon dioxide is formed from a fermentation reaction. My dear students, so I have given you for the answer of question number 1 and 2, and you can do this assignment of your own, the whole assignment of your own, and question number 3 3 will be describe what kind of role the project can play in your area in a social context. So suppose this one is a biogas plant, so you have to describe what kind of role this project can play in your area in a social context. You have to describe it. And question number 4, what role do you think you can play in preventing energy wastage in your own life? So my dear students, do this assignment of your own. Don't copy my one. And your assignment submission date is 23/10/2011. So my dear students, I hope all of you have understood our assignment 5 topic. Make this assignment of your own and submit it 23/10/2011. So see you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.